Here's a pair of these Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is the iPhone 16e. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode, okay? So let me open these up. I'm going to take these out, both earbuds out of the case. Now I'll know that they're in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, however, I get like a solid blue light, then it turns off. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. What I'm going to do is use the touch sensor on top of the logo here. I'm going to put my finger on top of both of those and wait till both of these start blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so I'm going to put my finger up there. I'm going to hold it for like 5 seconds or so. And there we go. Now they're both blinking blue. Now it is in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our iPhone. We're going to go directly to settings, and you want to go to Bluetooth settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and now the spinning thing down here is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here. These are still in the pairing mode. It's taking a little while to find it. Let me just turn off Bluetooth and let me turn it back on to rescan. It's still in the pairing mode here, and let's see if we can find it. Hey, what do you know? Soundcore V20i right there. Let's tap that right there. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.